Hello guys, are you looking for where to get your tote bags? If the answer is yes, why not call 080-365-88365? Yes, Tarron Innovative World. We dey run things for Tarron Innovative World. We are into souvenir bags, school bags, lunch bags, bridal accessories like bouquets and fans. We are into cakes for all occasion, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, etc, anniversary cakes. We're into bouquets, we're into arm fans, we're into turban caps, we're into throw pillows and beddings. Yes, we the run things that we're into beaded jewelries here at Tarron Innovative World. Thanks to our wonderful customers for their patronage. These are tote bags. Yes, they are well designed. Okay, so if you like us to customize your tote bags, you can contact us, or even if you want it plain and you want to go and do your design yourself, you are still free. Yes, here we don't force people. Yes, though we give quality, so we'll be expecting you. All right, so let's do business together. We make offering envelopes, tight envelopes, and for more information you can check our WhatsApp, you can check our Facebook page at Tarron Innovative World, or go to our YouTube channel Tarron Innovative World. Okay, now so we'll be anticipating to hear from you. Thank you.